Oh, yes. Hold on.
How's it going? You looking for somebody?
Yes, sir. I would like to get some metal made. I can show you what I want to get done. Okay. So, I have this shovel.
Whoa, whoa.
What? Hey, now, hold on. Pipe down. Pipe down.
Help me!
Pipe down in there. Now, let me show you. Okay. I need to get this shovel made to be bigger. So when I dig my holes, you know what I'm saying? When I dig my holes, I don't have to work as hard. I dig one hole and the shovel's bigger so I can fit bigger objects in these holes. You know what I mean?
Bigger the shovel, bigger the hole, right?
Bigger the shovel, bigger the hole. I like the way you think, young man. Now, how wide are you, young man? Let's see here. You're about, that's about as wide as I want the shovel. Yes, okay. So we want it to be wide and, you know, probably twice as tall, okay?
I got you.
All right. Now, when I dig these holes, this shovel needs to be sharp, okay? Let me tell you that. Now, whenever the hole gets dug, I can be able to fit big objects in there that never get dug back up. These holes, you never find it. You know what I mean? Capiche?
I got you. All right, so all we got to do is, we can get started here with your name and your info, and we can go from there.
Okay, all right. Yes, sir. My name is Dom. D-O-M, Dom, the Dom, Metaloni, okay? Dom Metaloni. M-E-T-A-L, Metaloni.
Okay. So now you need a shovel.
I'll give you my email. It's thedommetaloni@yahoo.com.
Okay, so I got your info here. You got your shovel, the project. Oh, do you plan to leave that shovel with us, or do you need that shovel in the meantime?
Uh, you know what? Pipe down in there. Pipe down in there.
Help!
I'll leave the shovel with you, okay? Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. You take the shovel. You call me. I'll pick up the new shovel and I'll dig my holes, okay? Capiche?
Okay. While you're here, is there any other metal needs that you might need?
Hold on a second here. You're telling me you can make anything out of metal?
Anything.
Anything?
Anything.
Huh. Let me tell you what, okay? You make this shovel right, you get it done. I come back, I bring you another idea. All right? Capiche?
Sounds good with me.
Thank
Sounds
you,
good.
young man.
Nice to meet you, Don.
Yes, sir. Hey, young man, 1 second, 1 second. Kiss the ring.
I'm not kissing your ring, sir.
Just kiss the ring.
I'm not
Pretend
kissing
it's
the
one
ring.
of your skinny girlfriends, okay?